In this video, I will walk you through the process of listing your property for sale on Zillow without an agent. Start by clicking the Sell option in the upper left side of Zillow's homepage. Scroll down on this page and you will find Agent Finding option. Scroll through that until you reach the section titled Sell Your Home Yourself. Click on Post Your Home for Sale. First, enter your street address. If you want to sell an apartment, also enter the apartment unit. Then enter the city, state, and zip code. Once you've filled the desired places, click Continue. Confirm that the location is correct before proceeding. Here, set your property's asking price and, if desired, add a 3D tour using the Zillow 3D Home app. Then upload high-quality photos of your property. Click on this option and import the images from your device. Then you can include a virtual tour link if available. After that, specify property details such as home type, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, square footage, lot size, and year built. If your property also had a structural remodel, enter that year over here. If you have any HOA dues, enter them here, along with the basement space if your property includes one, as well as the garage size if applicable. Next, provide a compelling description of your property in the designated box. If you plan to host open house events, schedule dates and times accordingly. Finally, enter your contact details, agree to Zillow's terms, and review your listing for accuracy. Once satisfied, click Post for Sale by Owner to publish your listing. By following these steps, you can successfully list your property on Zillow without an agent.